Om Swastiastu, hello, welcome to my kitchen. So charming, my regular guest has just arrived from Spain. So much fun to meet again and cook together. Today we made lawar ayam buah kacang or Balinese style chicken lawar with snack bean, Balinese style chicken soup or in Bali we call it besiap mekuah, and lodeh jipang is Indonesian style chayote cooked in coconut milk. Thank you so much for visiting us today. Very much hope to see you on your next return to my beautiful island home. Matur suksema. Come and join with me on your next visit to my island home, and we can cook authentic Balinese recipes together. And also now we are ready with the online cooking class. For more information, kindly contact me via my email novibalikitchen@gmail.com. Matur suksema.